Hey, it's Lou, and we're going to talk about proper trip spring adjustment for your Meyer snowplow. The way you check for trip spring adjustment is a business card should fit in between the coils of the spring. So in order to adjust your trip springs, you grab a crescent wrench to hold the eye bolts, grab a 15/16 wrench to loosen a jam nut, loosen that up, and I'm going to back that up about 1/4 inch. Once the cap is removed for the eye bolt, take your 15/16 socket, put that on the nut, hold the eye bolt, and begin to tighten. So after you adjust them, make sure you can get your business card in between the coils like it shows here. So that's a proper adjustment now. I just have to make sure my jam nut is tight on my eye bolt. Then I take my little rubber cap, put it back over the eye bolt with protection threads. Then you'll have to do this for the other 3 springs.